Hello friends, my name is Aaron Joji and I am going to show you how to make a cheesy veg omelette. As you all know, the 20th October was World Chef Day. My favorite chef is my mom. The first step in cooking is to always cook with passion. Now let's go to the ingredients. We need 2 teaspoons of butter, 2 medium-sized mushrooms chopped, 1/2 of an onion diced, 1/2 of a bell pepper diced, 5 leaves of spinach chopped, and keep some spring onion aside to garnish. And we need 2 eggs and a slice of cheese. Now let's start cooking. When the pan becomes hot, add a teaspoon of butter. Then add the onions. Add salt. Add a pinch of salt. Now mix. Now add the mushrooms. This is how it should look after 1 minute of mixing. Now add a pinch of pepper. Now add the bell pepper. This is how it looks after a few minutes of mixing. Now let's add the spinach. Now let's put the sautéed vegetables in a plate. Now let's start cracking the eggs. I broke the 2 eggs. Now I'm going to beat it. Now I have beat it. Now let's add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Now let's beat it again. Let's start making the omelette. Add 1 teaspoon of butter. Now spread the butter like this. After spreading the butter, let's add the egg. Then add the lid on top of it. Now cook it on a low flame. Then add the sautéed vegetables. Then add the cheese in a line. Then you have to fold it. Now let's put the egg on the plate. Then garnish it with spring onion. This is the cheesy veg omelette.